I know you guys ain't ready for this. We got a dog pound takeover today. Stick around. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the dog pound takeover of the Dawgfatha's BBQ channel. Listen, our boy Alton's been having a little tough times with some health issues, so your boy out in Cali's gonna take a little bit of time here, do a little video for him, help him out. My name is CJ. from Cooking with CJ here on YouTube, and Alton is a close personal friend of mine. I'm excited. You know, I am pretty much the West Coast representation of the dog pound, and today I'm gonna show you all beautiful Southern California here. Me cooking up on the west side, Barbecue Boulevard. All right, Barbecue Boulevard stretches across the country, and today we're going to do some pork shanks on my pit barrel cooker. We are doing it for some tacos. I'm in California, Southern California. Of course, we're gonna do some tacos with this pork. The pork shakes have got to be some of the most flavorful meat on the pig, and we got some beautiful ones from Snake River Farms here. Guys, it is real simple to prepare these. All I did was take a little of that sinew off on the skin, little fatty sinew. I just shaved that off with a nice sharp knife. Listen, if you try to take off all the silver skin, you'd be working for days, but you want to get rid of those loose pieces that are hanging around your pork shank, okay? The next thing I did was some vertical slices on it, on each of the shanks. This helps open up the muscle fibers for us to get some seasoning in there. I used a binder of sriracha. I know people like to use mustard on pork, but being out here in Southern California, I love using sriracha as a binder on my meats. The season I used was some Cosmos Q. I used some Dirty Bird Hot and some Honey Killer Bee. Those are some great pork rubs that I like to use. Really simple, really easy process. So, nothing left to do it but get to it, and I'll try to channel my inner Alton, but if you're with it, let's get it. Come on back. Got our applewood chunks in there. Had these coals burning for about 12 minutes now. We're just gonna pour these right in the middle. All right, let's get these pork shakes on. We're gonna get a temp probe in the thickest one. Now there's a bit of a fire underneath there because we put a couple applewood chunks in there. Once we cover this thing up, it'll smother that fire. All right, all we're gonna do is just let these chill. We're gonna let them cook all the way through to about 205 to 210, and they'll be ready for shredding. We're not gonna braise these. We're just gonna let them smoke through the whole time. We have the probe in there. We're using our thermometer here. Current temp of the pork shank is 64 degrees. I have the alert on for 207, but we're looking pretty good so far. It smells amazing out here. Smoke is rolling. Y'all better stick around for the end of this one. All right, y'all, we're about an hour in. The color on these look phenomenal. Getting plenty of good smoke in there. I'm not gonna spritz it right now. There's plenty of fat in there. It's gonna keep it nice and moist in there. It's gonna build a nice bark on the outside with that seasoning. And then when we go to shred these bad boys up, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, we're about 2 hours in. Let's get a little temp check on these. All right, 195. 183. Give it another hour, and like I said, we'll let these rest in foil, and then we'll start pulling them. All right, team, we're just about where we want to be. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. I've tint them all out. They're all around 200 degrees, a little bit more, a little bit less. But now it's time to get them in a pan and let them relax, let them rest. Look at that bark. Look at that barky goodness right there. There's gonna be so much bark on these. I love it. We're gonna cover these in tin foil, let them sweat. Good stuff. Okay, we got these in the pan. We're gonna cover them with tin foil, let them rest for about 30, 40 minutes, and then we'll start shredding into them. These rest, now it's time to shred the meat off of them. You can see it's shredding like butter with that nice color. Love it. We'll find these little nuggets right here off the side. Just pull it apart. Tender as can be. Love it. It's gonna take a little effort to get the meat off of these. It'll be well worth it. You can see right here. Look at that gorgeous color in that shank. All right, I'm gonna keep at pulling these, and then we'll start building some tacos. All right, we're all done pulling that pork off the shanks. Look at the barkiness through there. Every bite will have some bark in it. Taco is ready to be built. The pork has been shredded. Barky goodness throughout. And get that on a nice tortilla. I'm gonna add a little guac in there. because it's made in California. So of course there's gonna be some guacamole on my taco. Let's add a little hot sauce. Little extra sauce on there. I like a little Hockin cheese. Hocka cheese. That right there is a taco, my friends. Let's try it. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to have a nice big bite of taco right here. So cheers, y'all. You know it's good. All right, guys. Listen, it's a little bit of work, a little bit of time to get these pork shanks smoked the way you want. But guys, this was well worth it. Just tons of flavor running throughout it. Can't miss on this one. Make yourself some pork shank tacos like your boy CJ. Listen, y'all, make sure you hit that thumbs up, comment down below, all that good stuff. Get this thing moving for Alton. Get it in that algorithm. Make sure you guys wish him well in the comments down below. Brother Alton, I love you. Thanks for letting me jump in on this one and make a video for you for the West Coast chapter of the Dog Pound, right? Thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Cheers.